The pandemic highlighted the vital roles of our healthcare workers.
But the CDC says it was also the source of severe burnout. In 2022, 46% of healthcare workers experienced burnout, and 44% plan to look for a new job. As the healthcare industry faces burnout and a critical doctor shortage, hospitals and clinics are turning to artificial intelligence.
They tell us the hope for this technology is to ease workloads for physicians and to improve patient care.
It just helps to give me another option.
While Sharice Chambers plans for her wedding, she's also planning ahead for her future family by freezing her eggs through in vitro fertilization, or IVF.
We want to go to that practice that is thinking outside of the box. I think AI is just one of those ways that we can do that.
She sought out Dr. Corrine Frew.
If you can select the best sperm to then inject into each mature egg, that equals higher fertilization rates.
Dr. Frew says AI does not replace an embryologist. It's a tool to help them do their jobs.
Hello there. How are we doing?
A sentiment this dentist echoes after he started using AI at his practice in Toledo, Ohio.
It's simply a tool. It's not telling us what to do. It's just giving us some guidelines. It's giving us a roadmap to say, hey, maybe you want to double check something. Maybe you want to look here a little further. We've got a pretty large cavity over here.
This machine is called Overjet. The tool, cleared by the FDA, provides exact measurements of decay and bone loss, clearly highlighting what the eye can miss.
A lot of times, things are really small that the human may not be able to detect, or sometimes the monitor on your screen may not have the correct contrast. And so what this tool does is it highlights those spots.
The x-rays are also color-coded, making it easier to show a patient what's happening in their mouth.
This tool is really to help kind of create better communication.
At Texas Tech University in Lubbock, artificial intelligence isn't just helping doctors' workloads. Burn surgeon Dr. John Griswold says it could be the answer for patients with the most serious diagnosis.
This particular program helps us look through all of the patients that we have and find patients that might benefit from some of the cutting-edge programs and clinical trials we have, cutting-edge drugs that they might need for their cancer or their heart failure.
Ordinarily, searching for the right patient means searching through paperwork, checking area clinics, and calling healthcare providers.
It's a very tedious process, and we know we're missing people who could benefit so much from many of these programs.
With HIPAA rules in place, a program called Deep 6 identifies patients who could benefit from new treatments.
Deep 6 AI will help us look within just a click of a button for patients who might be candidates so that we can approach them and see if they're interested.
Saving patients precious time.
And these patients may have to wait 7-10 years for them to be available. Now they can participate in these programs and get the benefit of those drugs, and many times it's free.
Whether it's fighting an aggressive disease or planning for the future, these doctors agree AI is a new tool that could have the power to revolutionize the medical field.
We think that this is the next thing that needs to happen, and the more efficiencies we can build into the system, the better.
In 2023, a team of researchers from the University of California, San Diego wanted to know if ChatGPT could answer the same questions you might ask your doctor. In a blind comparison using 195 random patient questions from social media, medical professionals compared doctors' answers to responses generated by AI. What they found? AI won in a landslide.
ChatGPT was nearly 4 times more likely to write a response that was good or very good in quality, and ChatGPT was 10 times more likely to write a response that was empathetic or very empathetic. And so for us, we believe this is a game changer for healthcare. Instead of doctors spending time worrying about verb-noun conjugation, they can start with a drafted message from ChatGPT or other AI assistant, and then refine that.
One of the researchers concluded, quote, "While our study pitted ChatGPT against physicians, the ultimate solution isn't throwing your doctor out altogether. Harnessing ChatGPT is the answer for better and empathetic care."